All right, I got this 10-pack of emergency blankets. The seller was Kovshuiwe. I think the listing said they were supposed to be 150 by 210 centimeters. What appears to be here is 210 by 140. Whatever. Not a massive difference in size. They each come individually packed Ziploc bag that you can put in your pack, out hiking, whatever, for emergency sort of prep. So looks like about a little under 3 centimeter or 3 inches, sorry, wide. What is that? 5. So under that, but counting the bag, kind of thing. 3/4 of an inch thick, but you can probably compress it as you put other stuff around it. And then we're going to get all kinds of crazy reflections here, but so we've got a orange side and a more reflective side, so you could use that to flag for help. Use it, I guess, as a very thin tarp kind of thing if you really had to, but the main sort of thing is wrapping around yourself to reflect your body heat back in that emergency type situation. So very thin, that I'm sure would tear if you really wanted to, and putting it back in here should be interesting to refold it.